Year 10 Guy's Trip, Destination Cali. Touching down in San Diego, the energy of the city greets you instantly. You can feel its vibrant spirit as the stunning views come into view as you're landing. After settling into our cozy Airbnb in the Bay Park neighborhood, known for its laid-back vibe and stunning views of Mission Bay, we wasted no time. Bags unpacked, camera ready, and off we went to dive into the energy of downtown San Diego. Once downtown, we wandered through the streets of Little Italy, full of charm, art, and aromas that instantly transport you to the Mediterranean. We grabbed a late lunch at Felipe's, a local favorite known for its old-school Italian vibes and a hearty, delicious meal. Next stop, our traditional liquor store run. It's become a bit of a ritual for us on every trip, of course. This one, it totally fits the California vibe. A few hours later, we were back downtown, and that's when we stumbled upon Taco Heaven. Tacos El Gordo, hands down the best tacos we've ever had. We ate there several times during our trip, and even joked about smuggling some back to Oklahoma and Texas. And yes, they're that good. So this is a guy's first time in Southern California. So I suggested that we make the most of it and head up to LA the next day. I mean, come on. You can't be just 2 hours from Los Angeles and not go. To kick off our day in LA, I had a surprise planned for the crew. Our first stop was none other than the iconic house from the movie Friday. The reactions were priceless.
The Lord is my shepherd. He know what I want.
For fans of the film, it was like stepping into a piece of pop culture history. But before we made it to the Friday house, something unexpected caught our attention. A gentleman named Rodney out front smoking meat in his yard. As a proud Texan and a barbecue lover, I couldn't resist. I had to stop by and check it out. Oh, yeah.
Tri-tips up here.
Tri-tips, West Coast, that's what I'm talking about.
Y'all don't get that kind of meat out.
No, we sure don't.
That's,
In fact, the first time I had a tri-tip was in the Central Valley. Got your sausage?
yeah. And I got 8 slabs over here.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What's your name again?
Rodney.
Rodney, I'm Broderick, man.
All right, only on 126th Street, man.
126th Street.
You see the stamp?
Oh, I see it. Rodney Young, appreciate it. All you Friday people. Smokey's house. Look at that. And this is Rodney's barbecue. He's been here 57 years.
Yes, sir.
That's tight. After chatting with Rodney for a few minutes and soaking in that authentic LA hospitality, we made our way to the Friday house. It was surreal, standing in front of such an iconic spot. Definitely a bucket list moment for anyone who's a fan of the film.
Yeah, I like that.
After leaving the Friday house, we cruised up to Burbank for lunch. Along the way, we passed several legendary film studios and even caught a glimpse of the iconic Wilshire Boulevard, where Hollywood meets everyday life. From Burbank, we cruised down Ventura Boulevard, then turned onto Laurel Canyon, winding our way through the scenic route that drops you right into the heart of the Hollywood Hills and Beverly Hills. It felt like we were driving through a movie set, every turn revealing another iconic view. It was fantastic. As we made our way through Beverly Hills, we even caught a glimpse of the legendary Beverly Hills Hotel. Famous for its pink facade and palm line driveway, this spot has starred in countless movies and hosted Hollywood's elite for over a century. From there, we made our way to Rodeo Drive. And yes, it looks exactly like it does on TV. Luxury storefronts, palm trees, and the unmistakable Hollywood glam. After soaking in the scene, we continued on to Sunset Boulevard, another iconic stretch of LA's steeped in music, film, and pop culture history. No trip to LA would be complete without a cruise down Hollywood Boulevard. Unfortunately, we were pressed for time, so we didn't get a chance to park and walk it like I had hoped. We headed west to Santa Monica, hoping to capture some epic drone shots of the coastline. But as soon as I powered up the drone, I got the dreaded notifications. Flying was prohibited in the area, and that sucked. Definitely a letdown, but the views were still incredible on the ground. And if you're a Grand Theft Auto fan, these scenes will feel instantly familiar. like stepping into the game itself. Our final stop in L.A. took us to the Inglewood neighborhood, home of the legendary Randy's Donuts. This spot made countless film appearances and is a true pop culture icon. Randy had been bugging us the whole trip to swing by, and I couldn't let us leave LA without making it happen. Seeing that giant donut in person, totally worth it. The next day, Randy had something special for us lined up, a food tour through downtown San Diego. First stop, Lumpia, a Filipino spot serving up a variety of delicious lumpia flavors. From there, we hit the California Melt Burger, Baja Taco, and California Burrito. The last one, I went all in with the San Diego style carne asada burrito, which is packed with french fries on the inside, and it was absolutely awesome. Later that evening, we visited the Whiskey House in downtown San Diego, a true gem for whiskey lovers. This place holds the Guinness World Record for the largest whiskey collection in the world, with over 4,000 bottles from around the globe. The following day, we made our way to Old Town San Diego to visit a cigar shop. It's called The Art of Cigar. It's a hidden gem for cigar lovers. They offer a hands-on experience where you can roll your own cigar using premium tobacco from the Dominican Republic and Nicaragua, and then kick back and enjoy it in their lounge. The guys thought it was pretty cool. This is something that I've done in the past in Esteli, Nicaragua, and if you're into cigars, this is definitely something I recommend trying at least once. After some well-earned rest, Ben and Randy decided to get adventurous with the kayak run in La Jolla. For Zach and I, we knew better. Let's just say we preferred to stay on dry land. And as it turns out, Randy may have pushed it a little too hard. He wasn't feeling too well afterwards. Classic Randy moment. La Jolla is absolutely stunning. As you drive through this coastal gem, you can feel the wealth and laid-back luxury in the air. We ended up visiting 3 times during our stay. Each trip offered a new perspective of its charm and vibe. As you listen to Fiore, keep watching. We've got more pics and videos from the trip coming up. Thank you so much for tuning in. This 10th annual guys trip, one for the books. What's up, man?
Yeah.
Downtown San Diego, baby.
Downtown. How you doing, man?
Appreciate it, Zach.
Hey, Zach. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Yes, you caught me onto something. Right?